Hello YouTube, this is Dynamic FA. Today we are going to talk about Micrologix 1400 calling command and setting Ethernet connection. Let's look at the configuration. I have connected two LAN cable, one from the Micrologix 1400 to the router and another cable laptop to router. I have used the EVG 2000 router, which is coming from Nokia. Originally, this one from my ADSL internet connection. I don't use Optus anymore, so I have spare. So you can use any router in your home for connecting your PLC. You can test it in your home. Okay, this one. So most important thing, the biggest benefit of the Ethernet connection to PLC is when you go outside, you can. Normally, I bring my small $30 router. It's really small, and I just this is powered by USB, and I connect my router, Wi-Fi router, connect the original router inside the control cabinet, and then I can bring my laptop without any cable in any place it has problem, and then I get closer to that point, and then I can monitor it. I can change PLC program on if I do fault finding. It's way easier, way handy. So normally I do like that. So we will set up the Ethernet connection. Before we do that, we're going to call command. Okay, this is the program. This is the program. I added the command. This is the same program we made. I used it last class. Same program, but I just added command. So just save the project. Okay. I close it. So when you go outside, you don't have a latest backup file with the command, but you have a backup file previous command. So it's better than nothing. So you can combine the ladder program inside the PLC with the previous command. Then you can it'll be better than just without any command. So normally I did in the last class when you who active and then you select the who active mode 9, then you select the PLC and then OK. Then we create the new. We just press this button, but if you have previous backup file, previous project file, then you can click browse, and then you can select the folder which has project file. So now when you select a folder, then the RSLogix 500, it can automatically connect the program to the command of that previous project. So if you click like this and then OK, then it just pops up with all the command from the previous project file. So now you can just use it. Okay, this is how you can call previous command in the actual program inside the memory of the PLC. Okay, now we are going to set up Ethernet connection. So now currently this connection through the RS232C. Okay, now we're going to change. Okay, first thing you need to check your laptop connection is CMD and IP config. Then you can see the status, current status of the your Ethernet card. So it has 192.168.0.3. This is correct. We want three numbers same, one number different. So this is 255.255.255.0. This is the sub and mask. It have to be same. And this one is default gateway 192.168.0.1. This is the address of your router. So we got number 3. So we are going to set up PLC IP address 192.168.0.10, and then again, so if you want to test it, just ping 192.168.0.1. then you can easily check up the ping. Then you can see the speed, response speed. Okay, this is the setup of your laptop. You can check it like this way. If it's not correct, then you can click this one, open, and then you can change your adapter setting, property, and you can manually type in here, or this one get the number from DHCP function of the router. So you can do fixed IP on your laptop's Ethernet card setting, or you can just get the number, DHCP number from the router. Either way, you can do. I did DHCP way this time. Okay, that's the way you can check up your laptop setting. And then the second thing we need to do, configuring driver. R strings, yeah, same thing, configure driver and Ethernet IP driver. Add new, and we change the name. It was my PLC underbar Ethernet. Okay, and then you have to set up the correct one. Yeah, this is the correct one. Do you remember the IP address of the Ethernet card? We saw that already. 0.3. This is the correct Ethernet card. That's correct. And then we set up the IP address 192.168.0.10. As I told you, we're going to set up the PLC address 192.168.0.10. And subnet mask, it have to be 255.255.255.0, and apply. Okay, now it's running. We can close it, and we can see, yeah, there's nothing yet because we haven't set up the PLC IP address. Okay, we can minimize, and then we can channel configuration, double click, then channel 1. When you open the new PLC, this normally it have to be like this, same as this screen. So two things have to be turned off. So one is boot enable and DHCP enable. You two things off, and then you can set up the IP address 192.168.0.10. subnet mask 255, 255, 255 dot 0. Okay, now you can apply. And okay. Now we go back to RSLinks Classic. Then you can see the Micrologix here. Now you can see that through Ethernet. So now I'm going to disconnect the cable, RS232 cable. This will be disappeared. Yeah, now I disconnected. Okay, we lost that connection. Now we're going to connect PLC through this connection. Okay, so we go to RSLogix 5, offline, RSLogix 500, and the who active go online, and then we connect PLC through Ethernet, not RS232C. This is already disconnected. You click Ethernet connection and OK. Because this one asks us to save the program, because we changed the setting of the Ethernet connection. So save, set up Ethernet connection. Okay. And now it's connected through Ethernet. Monitoring okay. That's very good. So I recommend you use Ethernet connection. Then it'll be very handy when you get on site. Thank you so much. This is all for today. See you next time. Bye.